This should be a package from my friends over at American Modified out in California. They reached out to me and wanted me to try a product out for my girlfriend's SI. And I said I will gladly do so. So let's check it out, guys. Okay, everyone. Very nice packaged. A lot of protection. Let me grab this guy before he goes flying away. It's a little windy out here. Look at that, guys. So let me take this out completely out the box and I'll show you what we have. You guys go. This is very nice. So this piece is actually for a sedan, which I told them that I would love to try it. So it's gonna go in this side right here. The only thing is this is a SI, so I'm not sure if it's gonna fit with the wing on here. So if I have to, I'm gonna take it off to see how it looks and put everything on. And then if I like it, I'll see if I could modify this wing if I have to sit on top of it anyway. By the way, if you guys are wondering, it's American Modified on Instagram. So we're gonna go to the website real quick so I can show you guys what it is. Select the vehicle. 2018 Honda Civic. Find now. They got a lot of stuff, guys. If you guys like any of the stuff on here, I'm actually going to give you guys a link that they gave me, and I'll direct you to their website, and then you could look up what parts you want. And if you use my discount code SICFK8, you actually get 12% off, guys. It's a nice little savings there. So this is actually called the Light Guide Center Spoiler for 16 to 21 Honda Civic Sedan. Like I said, I don't know if it's gonna fit on the SI, but we're gonna give it a shot. So it's supposed to look something like that. Looks kind of cool. But yeah, family, we're gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna start taking everything off and just trying to fit it just to see how it looks, and then see if there is a way for us to keep the spoiler that the SI comes with. But I'm gonna take this piece off, this wrapping, and I'm gonna give you guys a really nice look on it because it's actually really nice and pretty good quality. So I like it. I think it's gonna look nice on the car. All right, my people, let's get this started. From what I saw, it's not that hard of an install. We're gonna open up the trunk, and this needs to come out. So get like a clip remover or a flathead. Take out all the clips, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 clips. We're gonna take this out completely, and then it utilizes all the bolts and nuts and stuff that comes stock on the car, because it comes with no hardware. It should be a direct replacement and fit into the holes that the trunk has already, which is awesome in my opinion. We don't have to drill, we don't have to do any custom things, so that's a real big plus. So I'm gonna start ahead and remove all those clips. And I use the flathead, guys. Very simple. Just get underneath here, pull it up, and the tab comes right off. Not hard at all. Now that we're here, guys, we just need to take out the light, which looks like to me is going to be this bolt right here. Then we got one on this side, which is right there. Then we gotta undo the harness. One there, and I believe that's it. You take out these lights right here, which they are vinyl at the moment with the heart shapes, so I might get her another set and do it on the new one, so the both of those come out, and then you pretty much plug and play this one in. Let's get it done, guys. Those two bolts also gotta come off, guys. Alright guys, so these wing was held on by double-sided tape and clips, as you can see there. So I'm gonna clean this area very well, take out any of that double-sided tape, and then put this piece on and see how it looks, guys. fitment is actually pretty good. Fits on there nice. I like how it's the same color as the OEM pretty much. This looks a little darker. Obviously it's a little dirty and has the vinyl on it, but it is pretty much the same color. So as you guys can see, I had to remove this completely out, this one completely out, and that one completely out because it will be clearance issue. You see how it covers it up when it's actually on there. Oh, excuse me. So I'm gonna try to bolt this on completely and wire it, see how it looks, and then I'm gonna have my girl come out and check it out. And then if she likes it, I'm gonna see what I could do with the spoiler. Maybe I could put it into some of these areas and bolt it down as much as I can, and maybe like sandwich this area here so that way both lights are on there. If not, maybe 3M taping it. I got some really strong, good double-sided 3M tape, and maybe that could do the trick. So let me wire this up and I'll show you guys how it looks. All right guys, so I got everything wired up. This red wiring, I'm not too sure what it is because it was legit plug and play on both sides. And then I zip tied everything so it's not loose in there because it doesn't utilize the clip anymore. So that way it's nice and snug and you're not hearing it rattle. The fitment is not terrible. It's actually pretty good. It could be better here, so you guys can see, but it's not bad. So what I'm gonna do now is I still gotta put that bolt there, and then I gotta put the one over here. You can see, yeah, it's right there. So I gotta put that on, and then that was for the wing, and this one was for the wing, which looks like it's covered. So I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to use the stock wing with this, but let me show you guys how it looks. So that's how it looks in the car, guys. It actually looks really cool. I don't hate it, but I definitely need to figure something out with the wing because we don't want all these things up here. This is for the wiring for the third brake light on the wing, so that will go through here. So I don't know if I could maybe utilize these holes here and like make my own holes on the wing and use my own bolts. But it doesn't look bad, guys. Pause this video and let me know what you guys think in the comment below. But let me go and open the door so you guys can see it light up. So that's it, lit up, guys. It looks pretty cool. I like it. So that's pretty much